Food Reintroduction by Alkaline Herbs and Recipes. Food reintroduction. To safely and effectively reintroduce food after fasting, it's best to start with small, easily digestible meals and gradually increase the quantity and complexity of food over time. Focus on hydration foods, drinks, followed by nutrient-dense options that are gentle on the digestive system. Water-rich foods. Hydration first. Water. Begin by rehydrating with foods that produce electrolytes to replenish loss during fasting. Watermelon is a perfect example. Not only will you be able to replenish hydration, but if you eat the seeds, you'll be able to increase magnesium and lycopene output lost during the fast if you eat the seeds and rind. Another water-rich food I like to use is tomato soup. For light brothy soups are a great first step as they are easy to digest and provide hydration. Not only that, you'll still be getting your iron and lycopene content from the tomato soup. Iron-rich foods. Detoxification. Chlorophyll can bind toxins, heavy metals in the body, aiding in the removal through the liver and kidneys. Green juices, especially those with cruciferous vegetables like kale, are rich in compounds that enhance liver function and support the detoxification process. Nutrient replenishment. Smoothies can be packed with a variety of fruits, vegetables, and other nutrient-rich ingredients like seeds, nuts, and protein powder, helping to replenish essential vitamins and minerals depleted during fasting. Cooked vegetables. Soft-cooked vegetables like quinoa topped with onions and bell peppers provide easy to digest, good carbohydrates needed for a fast. Not only that, the quinoa is going to provide the iron that has been lost and depleted during the fast if you haven't been using mineral supplements. Another great food to reintroduce after fasting is dried fruit, such as dates and other dried fruits that provide a quick source of energy. Another thing I want to touch on real fast is smaller portions. I know you have dreams of eating these very big meals, but it's very important to start with small portions of food and gradually increase the amount of food as your body adjusts. You want to give your body time to readjust the foods in your body, and you don't want to send your body into no sort of shock state. Nutrient-dense foods. Gradually introduce a wider variety of nutrient-dense foods, including healthy fats, as time progresses. Paying attention. Pay attention to how your body reacts to different foods when coming off a fast and adjust your diet accordingly. Always pay attention. Remember, by following these guidelines, you can ensure a smooth transition back into eating after fasting, minimizing the risk of digestion discomfort or other issues. Thank you very much for listening to this. May you guys be blessed. Yeah, man.